Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we have a very interesting coin from Africa. I will show you a beautiful and a rare silver coin, the 2023 Rwanda 50 francs gorilla African ounce. This coin made for the 15th anniversary of the African ounce series. Let's discover its history, design, and why the collector loves this coin. So the African Ounce series started in 2008 to celebrate Africa's wildlife with beautiful silver coins. And Rwanda, known for its amazing nature and mountain gorillas, they issued these coins to bring awareness to wildlife conservation and to show African beauty to the world. And the 2003 edition marks 15 years since the series began, making it very special for collectors. And by the way, for this coin, this design, only 1,000 pieces were made, making it very rare and a great addition to any silver stacker or collector as well. This coin is 1 ounce, made of fine silver, 3/9. The diameter is 40 millimeter and the weight is 1 ounce or 31.1 grams. On one side here, you can see this is what they call the coat of arms of Rwanda with the motto. It's written in their language, but the motto means unity, work, and you can see also here as well the Rwanda on the top. And this is the face value, 50 francs. And on the other side, below here on the left, it shows a family of mountain gorillas, and this is considered to be Rwanda's national treasure. Very nice. And on the right, you see the map of Africa in high relief. And this symbolizing the unity and the beauty of the continent. And on top here, you will see 2008 and 2023, and the African ounce, and 15th anniversary. And down here, 1 ounce fine silver. Very beautiful coin. So the price of this coin, it has a premium. So it's not because of its low mintage. Usually the price of this is higher than the normal bullion like Eagle, Maple Leaf, Philharmonic, etc. I saw some of these got sold for around the $100. It can go up, it can go down, depends on the supply and demand. But if you like collecting what we call semi-numismatic, maybe this will be a coin that you can consider, considering that the mintage is only 1,000 coins. Having said that, you need to try to get it at a good price, because semi-numismatic in many cases don't sell quickly, and you have to hold the coin for some time. So you need to be very careful when you buy semi-numismatic coins. And my advice is try to avoid when any mint start a new series and then they sell them for very high prices. This is usually what we call like a sucker rally. So try to avoid buying this coin when it's on the peak. Yeah, and that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share so we can explore more beautiful coins together. And in the comment, please let me know what kind of coins do you like, and if you want to see any coins, please write in the comment and I will try to bring it to you. Thank you so much, and I wish you a very good day.